How to solve TikTok views problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve TikTok views problem on Android phone. First open TikTok and then just click go to your profile and then click these three lines here and click settings and privacy. And now to fix your problem, just scroll down until you find lookout, click on it and click lookout, and after that just log in again, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and you need to find TikTok, click on it and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.